Good day everyone. So I have received another question and the question is this. Attorney, may nabili akong lupa. Ano ang mga babayaran kong taxes para lang mailipat sa pangalan ko ang property na nabili ko? Okay, thank you for the question. So there will be 3 taxes that you need to pay in case of a sale of a capital asset. So capital asset ang i-discuss ko. So first tax that you need to pay is the capital gains tax. This is being paid in the BIR or the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Revenue District Office, where the property is located. The tax rate for CGT is 6%, and this will be based on whichever is higher among these 3 values. First value is the selling price. The selling price as appearing on the deed of absolute sale or as indicated in the deed of absolute sale. Second value is the zonal value, which has been announced by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. You can check that out in the website of BIR. And the last value will be the fair market value. You can check this in the tax declaration certificate of the subject property. And the deadline for the payment of CGT is 30 days from the time that the deed of absolute sale was executed. So that would be 30 days from the time that the deed of absolute sale was notarized. Kung kailan ninotaryo yung deed of absolute sale. Second tax that you need to pay in case of a sale of a capital asset would be the documentary stamp tax. You need to pay this also in the BIR where the property is located. Tax rate for DST is 1.5%, and this is also based on those 3 values, whichever is higher, that I have mentioned in the capital gains tax. The deadline for the payment of DST is 5th day of the following month. So say for example, you purchased the property and you have executed the deed of absolute sale January 7, 2024. It means that kailangan mong bayaran on or before February 5, 2024 ang documentary stamp tax para hindi magkaroon ng penalties. And the last tax that you need to pay in case of a sale of a capital asset will be the transfer tax. Hindi ito binabayaran sa BIR since this is a local tax. So that would mean you will be paying this in the local government unit, specifically doon sa Treasurer's Office. If the property is located in Metro Manila, then the tax rate for transfer tax is 0.75%. Based on the selling price doon sa DOAS or based on the fair market value, whichever is higher between these 2 values. And the deadline for the payment of transfer tax will be 60 days from the date of the execution of the deed of absolute sale. And aside from these taxes, you also need to pay the registration fee for the transfer of or the registration of the title under the new owner's name. So that would be paid in the registry of deeds. This is Attorney Rolly, your licensed real estate broker, licensed real estate appraiser, licensed real estate consultant, and an attorney at law. Ingat!